Let's talk about learning a language with your partner. Have you ever tried to do that? Did you have struggles? Because sometimes our partners don't have patience for us to help us in our journey, or they don't have enough knowledge. Have it ever happened something like this? To je idem u školu. And why is not idem u školi? Because. And they would just say because without any further explanation. Because they, even though they learned it in school, they maybe forgot it or they are not sure how to explain it. Maybe they are not confident enough to give you the proper explanation, not going to really like small nuances of grammar and things like that. On the other hand, if your partner is a linguist, professor, or any kind of those things, go ahead and learn Serbian with them. But there are some small things that you can do in your daily life. For example, if you are a person who likes to go outside and do those kind of like outdoorsy activities, it's cool if you, for example, go on a hike and during that action that you're doing together, you can speak in Serbian. They can tell you, for example, this is a rock in Serbian, or talk about directions, or like if you even level up your Serbian, you can talk about different topics together, but while you're doing that action. Or on the other hand, if you are indoorsy person, you can maybe cook together, or maybe you can play a game, what is this in Serbian, like šta je ovo. For example, they can ask you šta je ovo, and then you can say ovo je čaša. That's for beginners. Or for advanced, šta je ovo? Ovo je varjača. So basically find a common action that you can do together and make your brain adapted to that, because our brains, they love habits. And if you make a habit of learning Serbian together, I think it will be easier. And also, both of you need patience. Them to help you learning it and you to learn it. And also, if you need a teacher, we are here to help you in your journey. And also, we are there to provide you all the lessons and enough confidence to start speaking. And if you go to Serbia, you will be able to talk with your partner's family. Vidimo se. Ciao!